Nice. Check out how we rigged this poplar tree. Our wonderful customer was concerned about lawn damage when removing this unstable tree. She didn't want the entire tree to be dropped into your yard, so we made it happen. We're using this technique called span rigging. We couldn't rig from the tree itself as it was too unstable, and we didn't want the tree to break when shock moving. So this is what we're doing for span rigging. We have this line tied up to over there, to a pulley block on that oak tree. And then this line also goes back over there to that, somewhere up on top to that oak tree. We finished taking the rest of the tree down and cleaning up. Forgot to record the rest of the takedown, but we got it down safely and gained another satisfied customer.
See ya.